Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Disney Plus, quick guide step by step clearly. To activate Disney Plus, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Disney Plus in the address bar. Click on the official Disney Plus website link. Once the homepage loads, locate the sign up or start free trial button. Click on the button to begin the registration process. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Review the subscription options available to you. Select the plan that best fits your needs. Enter your payment details as required. After completing the payment information, review your order summary. Click on the Submit button to finalize your subscription. Check your email for a confirmation from Disney Plus. Open the email and follow any additional instructions provided. Now, return to the Disney Plus website or open the app on your device. Log in using the email and password you just created. Browse the extensive library of content available for streaming. Start enjoying your favorite Disney Plus shows and movies. If you're using a smart TV or streaming device, download the Disney Plus app. Open the app and sign in with the same credentials. Explore the features and enjoy seamless streaming on your chosen device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.